Hi, I'm Louise Cutting from Cutting Line Designs. I want to show you an alteration to add width at the hip area. These are for the A-frame people, the pear people, me, and there is a way to add in the internal part of the body. You don't want to add width by taking it from one seam allowance to another. Where you add tissue is where you add fabric, and that's where it would stay. So it would look like a little trapeze dress. So this is a much better way to alter if you need it in the hips. What you want to do is divide in half the center front from the front fold or the front edge to the side seam. You want to avoid any kind of design element. So we're about halfway in the middle. This is a parallel line to center front. I'm just coming up and then going at about a 45-degree angle, and we're coming up to this corner, right where the bottom of the sleeve would go in. Our hinge is going to be right at our stitching line. We're cutting up to it and we're cutting into the stitching line. So there'll be a little bit of opening here. Here's your hinge. This section will start moving out as you need it. Remember, whatever you're doing once, you're going to be doing twice. We're bringing it up and sliding it over. So we have added within the hip area about 1 inch, further down within the thigh area about 1.25 inches. This is a real easy operation. This can be done in the front. It can be done in the back. It can be done either the front or the back, and it can be done different amounts in the front and the back because you're always coming back to one spot that the side seams will match. Now, what you want to do is measure from side to side across your front. Do the same thing across the back and add what you need. Again, try something on in your wardrobe that is a similar style. Does it button across the front? See how much it is. Measure from side seam to side seam on the garment, and that way you'll know exactly how much you need. Now, if you do need more, what we want to do is divide that amount. You're going to be doing 2 slices, but you're coming back to exactly the same spot. So we're going to have a little bit here and a little bit here. You're going to have to true up your hem to get rid of these jogs down here. Our side seams will match both front and back.